Hi guys, so today's video is a get unready with me video where I'll show you how I pamper my skin after a shoot day, and while doing that I'll also answer some of the questions that you asked me on my Instagram story. And before I start the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. Now without any further ado, let's start the video. So guys, when I shoot I have to apply a lot of makeup because otherwise the camera does not pick it. So of course the first step starts with removing all of my makeup, and I use a makeup remover pad like this. I just wet it with water and I start scrubbing my skin. And while doing that, let me also get to the first question. It's from I_am Ria Ray. And she has asked if it's essential to use chemical based products and if they'll harm you in the long run. So yeah, it's very important to research any product before you buy it. And if you're talking about products like salicylic acid, AHAs, BHAs, retinol, all of these things, you need to know if your skin needs it and if you are in the right age bracket to use it. If you are a teenager, then please stay away from all kind of chemicals. Otherwise, if you can use it and it's a good quality product, as long as you are taking care of your skin, they'll not harm you. You guys can see it's so easy to remove the makeup with this, and it also removes my eye makeup. And let's go to the second question. So second question is by Vedika_Asrani. She asked, how do you manage to do MBA, YouTube and Insta all together? Lots of love to you too. So I won't say it's easy. It's not at all easy. That's the reason why I have not been able to follow a consistent schedule abhi tak, though it's been so long. But you just have to manage and find out time. Sometimes you have to take out time from your personal life. मोस्टली व्हाट आई डू इज़ जिस दिन मेरी क्लास ना हो, जिस दिन मेरे पास काम कम हो, या फिर वीकेंड्स पे, लाइक काफ़ी बार वीकेंड्स पे ऑल्सो वी हैव क्लासेस, बट व्हेन आई डोंट, I just shoot a lot of content in bulk and also write and plan my content in advance so that जिस दिन मैं shoot करने बैठ रही हूँ उस दिन I'm not wasting any time. It gets tiring because I shoot continuously for the entire day, but this is how I do. And editing तो कभी भी week के बीच में जब भी I get some time, I do it. After this, I like to use a oil cleanser. This is from Face Shop. It's their Rice Water Bright. And this also brings me to the next question. This is asked by Ara_2020. She asked, आप डबल क्लेंजिंग के बारे में क्या सजेस्ट करोगे और क्या मैं डबल क्लेंजिंग करनी चाहिए? So see, if you are using makeup, I would absolutely recommend you to go for double cleansing. So for those of you who don't know, double cleansing is basically when you use a oil cleanser like this first on your face, you wash it off and then you use a normal cleanser. So if you're using makeup, this just breaks down all of the makeup that has gone down in your pores or anything that is not removed by a makeup remover. And this will just ensure that you don't break out and clog your pores in the long run. So yeah, I always double cleanse when I apply makeup, or if you are not using makeup, even then it's a choice because oil cleanser also breaks down all the dirt, etc. It reduces blackheads, whiteheads on your face. So of course you can go for a double cleanser on a daily basis also, but I personally like to use it around 2-3 times a week if I'm not wearing any makeup. So now that I have massaged all of this oil cleanser on my face was dry till now. I'm going to add some water which will emulsify it, and then I'm going to wash it off. Now that I have washed the oil cleanser, I'm going to finally wash my face with a foaming cleanser. This one is the Innisfree Green Tea Cleanser. This will just ensure that there is no oil, no makeup left on my face. Okay, so the next question is by S_Risti Chaudhary. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. So she has asked, only foundation or only concealer if given a choice to use only one. So if I'm given a choice to use only one, actually I don't use a lot of makeup on daily basis. I just dust my face with some compact powder on a daily basis. But if I still have to choose one, it depends upon the occasion. Honestly, if it's just a If I'm just going out, then probably concealer, because I can get the required amount of coverage with that. But if I'm shooting videos, then foundation, because I can still do without a concealer but not foundation. The camera would not pick up any makeup if I apply just thoda sa concealer. So I guess I can't give you one answer for that. Okay, I'm just going to wash off this face wash and come back to you in a second. Now next, I always apply a face mask on the day I shoot, because ek to it relaxes me. I just apply my mask after a long day of work and watch some Netflix. And dusra, it really soothes my skin down after a whole day of applying makeup, wo bhi itna zyada makeup. So today I'm using the Body Shop Japanese Matcha Tea Pollution Clearing Mask. I just keep rotating my mask. Oh, by the way, this is totally matching with my dress today. Let's also get to the next question. So the next question is by Miss Pahadan_02. She has asked hair care and how to reduce hair fall. So for hair fall, you first need to find the reason behind your hair fall. If it's related to your diet, you need to start incorporating foods that help in hair fall. One trick is to start eating more curry leaves. That has personally helped me a lot. Just chew raw curry leaf first thing in the morning. And another great tip, although this one smells a lot, is to use freshly squeezed onion juice on your hair before you wash it for around an hour. But if you are having severe hair fall, just go see a doctor. She can recommend some biotin tablets to you. I have also taken that, but only under a doctor's consultation, so I can't tell you to take them or not. I'll try and make a detailed video on hair care, because otherwise this video will get very long. Okay guys, I'm gonna take some of my much needed chill time while this face mask dries off, and I'll come back and take 1 or 2 questions more, not more than that, because I don't want to make this video too long and boring. So see ya soon. Okay guys, so I've washed off the face mask, and I hope you can see both me and my skin are looking so much more energized. So let's move to the next step and the next question. Okay, so the next question is by the Banya Girl_. She asks, what product should I use when I have dry skin after bath? Also guys, I'm using this AHA BHA clarifying toner from Cosrx. So if you're having dry skin after bath, then first of all, you should buy body washes that are more creamy in nature. I would recommend the Body Shop Shea body wash. It leaves the skin so soft. Otherwise, they also have an almond variant that is also very moisturizing. And after you have taken a bath, just when your skin is a little damp, apply a good body butter or coconut oil all over your skin, and your skin won't feel dry. And you can also reapply the body butter throughout the day, and your skin will start feeling better. Okay, so the next question is by _Sakshi Rathod. She asks, serum is good for skin? Yes, serums are good for the skin, only if you're choosing a serum that is going with your skin issues, your skin type. Also, your age matters a lot. If you're a teenager, you don't need any serum. But if you are above the age of 23, 24, then yes, you can start investing in serum. Next question is by _Jewy_05. So she asks, which sunscreen is best for teenagers? So this question I would be answering in my teenager skincare routine very, very soon. So wait for that. Next question is by Suhani Sharma 498. She asks, I'm 11 years old, can I do makeup? If you're 11-year-old, I don't think you need to do makeup. You will be naturally so sweet and beautiful. But if you want to use makeup on special occasions, you can use a BB cream, some kajal, lip balm, and you will be good to go. Don't apply a lot of products, they are not needed at this age. Okay guys, I'm not going to take any more questions. If you like these kind of question answer videos, so let me know in the comments and I'll make a separate video on this topic. But right now I'm going to go with my serum. This is the Nykaa Skin Potion 24K Gold Oil. I just take a few drops on my hand, warm it up and press it all over my face. Now since this serum is already so moisturizing, I do not follow up with any moisturizer after this. All is left to do is use the lip balm, again by Nykaa. It's their chocolate hazelnut macaroon lip balm, and it smells so yummy. And with that, I complete my skin pamper routine. I'm going to do something for my hair now. If you want to see a separate video on that, let me know in the comments. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments if I answered your question, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.